In retirement, as it relates to tax, there is money. I'm going to order money in the smartest way you can have it, down to the least smart. How about that for good English? The least way that you might want it. So the best kind of money, and you can jot these down. These are good notes for you to take. The best kind of money, class, is, yes, free money. OPM, you might know it as Office of Personnel Management. Nope. Right now, we're going to call it other people's money. It's that free money that is the 5% match for FERS employees. As long as you're putting in 5 into the TSP, they're putting in a full 5. That works great for you. So make sure you're getting that free money that's on the table. The second best kind of money to have when you're in retirement is tax-free money. Now, this is the stuff that you don't have to pay tax on as you go through retirement. So what are the tax-free retirement options? Well, you have Roth, and Roth will be TSP or IRA. You can have cash value of life insurance that can be tax-free, and municipal bonds may be tax-free. Now, you hear me say can be, may be. That's because you have to make sure you're playing by the rules in all 3 of these categories to get it tax-free. We're not going to delve into all that today, except just be careful. There are ways that all 3 of these things could not be tax-free if you don't play the game right. But with careful working through your program, you can have tax-free retirement income that can put you in a lower bracket if you manage it right. The trade-off, you have to pay tax now to pay none later. Okay? Is that a good idea? Well, the answer is it depends, but you need to consider it as a federal employee. The third best place to have money is in tax-deferred buckets. That's your traditional TSP, your IRA, other accounts like that. You didn't pay tax when you put it in. You will pay tax when you take it out. And that's still better than our fourth bucket, which is taxable. The taxable bucket is money you may have sitting in a bank account or investment account. Every year you receive the 1099 that says you owe tax on so many dollars, and you pay the tax. So you may earn 10%, pay 2% of that gain back in taxes, so you really only made 8. You go up and down every year to pay those taxes. That's the least efficient way. So as you're preparing for retirement, check this list, look over it carefully, and decide where is your money. And is your money in a position from a tax perspective to be the best for you as you step through retirement? The vast majority of federal employees that we meet have most of their assets in this third bucket, in this tax me later bucket. What I submit to you today is that going to work in this next phase? When you leave the accumulation phase of life and step into the distribution phase of life, is that going to be the best place for you? You need to address that as you're trying to cover that gap. Again, making sure the tax man has the right place in your plan, not the biggest place.